So let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, safety. First off, by replacing the rock pad in the side entrance with the Fods system, you are immediately reducing the risk of rocks entering the roadway and causing hazards, while simultaneously mitigating mud and other debris from exiting the site. It's a no-brainer. These mats do their job. Fods reduce the risk of track-out-related accidents. The Fod panels are lightweight, so there is no need for cranes or heavy equipment during the installation. 2 people can easily unload and maneuver the mats into place in under 30 minutes. Another safety feature of these big yellow mats is their color. The bright yellow clearly denotes your site's entry and exit points. With Fods, you can mitigate safety concerns, protect your employees and people around you. Install Fods and give yourself peace of mind.